What a nice treat for a winter day.
Wonderful today.
Yeah.
Almost a borderline hot if you were out there in the
really
sunshine. Yeah, highs in the upper 80s in case you missed it earlier. But a great day to be out and about on Lady Bird Lake. This is a live view of the lake out there.
They're having fun, that's for sure.
They are. I'm not sure who that is.
Shorts and short sleeves.
Beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In case you missed the statistics earlier, I want to show you one more time because it is rather unusual, not to mention the warmest day of the year, upper 80s and 20 degrees above average. Now, in 1996, we had a real warm spell right about this time in February, so we weren't near the record of 95 degrees, but that, too, was highly unusual. So more and more folks are asking me and emailing me, can I go ahead and plant the garden? Is winter over with? I'd be a little careful about that. These are our average last freeze dates, and yes, we've been warmer than average all winter, and so it may be a little earlier than this, our last freeze. But you folks out in the hill country, we're still a ways away, about a month away from your average last freeze. It ranges anywhere from the 22nd down here in Gillespie and Blanco County to the 24th up there in San Saba and in Lampasas County. Here in the metro area, though, in downtown Austin, tonight is our average last freeze of the season. But that is only in downtown Austin. In more rural locations, for example, out at the airport, so later, March 4th is the average last freeze at ABIA. Down in Hays County, March 5th, and up in Williamson County, that's about the 1st of March, the average last freeze. And to the east, there you see your average final freeze dates. February 28th down in Fayette County, but a little bit later back here across Milam County, Bastrop down into Caldwell County, about the second week of March. Could be a little earlier this year. We haven't seen very many freezing days, or not nearly as many as usual, I should say. Out there tonight, we have some high clouds in the sky. Downtown Austin, a nice place to be at this hour. 86 degrees, still warm. At 8 p.m., 72, and at 10 p.m., 64. In the hill country right now, upper 70s and low 80s. These are current temperatures. 84 in Marble Falls area, 84 around Lake Travis, 82 down in Buda. 80 degrees in Smithville, 81 degrees in Bastrop. In Austin, it is partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and 86. We've had a dry line move right up to I-35. Look at the difference in the dew point. Camp Mabry, dew point's 29, making only 13% the relative humidity right now. But go down to Del Valle at the airport, the dew point's 61 with 54% relative humidity. That's why it's been so warm today. We've got into that dry air behind the dry line in most locations. 7 to 17 mile per hour winds, mainly southerly right now. Mole count medium, elm medium, ash and cedar in the low count today, so nothing too serious. We're not alone today. Look at all the orange colors on the map. Those are generally 80s, 80 up in Abilene, upper 70s up in the Dallas area right now. These are the high clouds that have been coming our way. We've got another one of those low pressure areas back here over the Baja that's just sitting in place right now. It'll be very weak when it finally moves across South Texas by Friday and Saturday, but by that time we are going to have a cold front having moved in here. The front will be up here tomorrow though, and when it's north of us, just north of us, during peak heating of the day, we'll get a west wind and it'll be real warm, so we think it could be warmer tomorrow than today. But then that front will blow through tomorrow night, and on Friday it will be significantly cooler. But we think the rain should stay down to the south because we'll have this dry north wind coming in, and that weak upper level low will be tracking across South Texas. So I think we're going to miss out on the rain this go round. Here are your lows tonight. 50s to right around 60 degrees, and then high temperatures tomorrow. Again, for the second day in a row. I told you last night the computer models were too low, and I think they're too low again tomorrow. I think it'll be a little closer to 90 tomorrow in some places. Tonight, 54. Some clouds in the sky there. Let's go 89 possibly in Austin tomorrow with a west-southwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. We won't be anything like that on Friday, though. We'll be back to February average. In fact, 63 is even a little cooler than average for Friday. 58 is cooler than average for Saturday. So, no, we're not done with winter yet. In fact, we'll see some freezes around the area by Saturday and Sunday morning. Maybe not in the city of Austin, but certainly in the rural locations down in the hill country. And we may get a little more rain early next week.